Hey fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do another gnome DIY. This DIY are for ornaments, so if you're interested in seeing those, just continue to watch. A hot glue gun, a razor, scissors, fabric, and this is a tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. Ornaments. This is a ornament from Walmart. It's from Walmart. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is also from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need your nail stems, and you can get these at the Dollar Tree as well. Embellishments, glue gun, and some. So the first thing I'm going to do the large one first. We'll need a ruler. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out our gnome's hat. Okay, so I want my gnome hat, since it's going to be a big one, I want my gnome hat to be big as well. So I'm going to fold this. So you're going to actually you would take your ruler and you will go up just a little bit. And you will angle it the way you want it. Okay, so now we have our gnome hat. And what we're going to do is put the right sides together like this. And warm up this glue gun while we're doing the other part. Okay, so we have our hat. We have our ornament. And so now we're going to take our fur. And we're going to use white fur for this one. And this fur I got from, I think either Hobby Lobby or Walmart. And okay, so we want to see how long we want our gnome's beard. So we're going to use this much. And you're going to, what you're going to do is you're cutting in a U shape. And this is where your eraser will come in at, because you don't want to cut the actual fur. You just want to cut the material. Okay, so we have our gnome's beard, we have our gnome's hat, and we will get our gnome's nose in just a moment. We're going to go ahead and glue his hat together. Put a bead of glue. Okay. So our gnome's hat is done. And we're going to turn this hat right side out. We're going to glue our gnome's beard up higher. Since our hat is small, we're going to do this that way. So for a gnome this size, I would recommend his nose be about this big right here. But I can't find my large wooden beads. So, also a pearl. This pearl, we're gonna put his nose on. Let's get his embellishments. Here's a, let's get the embellishments out that we're gonna use. So, let's get this glued on. Bit of glue right up under his hat. And I was going to give him a mustache, but we'll just do it like this. Okay, so this is our large gnome ornament. And as you can see, that's the back. Yeah. Now, to hang your gnome, you can do two things. You can actually take a hook, the actual hook that you hang ornaments with, and stick it into your gnome's hat. Put a tad of glue right there, and then hang it on a tree. But make sure you get the large ones. Or you can take a piece of screen, however long you want it. I'm gonna tie this. All right, and then I'm going to go right here in the center of his head, of his hat. So guys, whether you make it this big or smaller, this is our ornament, our large one. And I'm just going to walk you through the small one. Okay, so the small one is really easy. All you need to do is cut you guys. our DIY gnomes. And I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you guys that, I truly, truly, truly mean it. Bye-bye.